guys, get ready with me for the ABS-CBN ball. Let's go.
We're just fixing our hair now because we have a lot of executions to do, a lot of videos before the actual event starts. So as early as 1 p.m. we're already getting ready. Achi is here. I'm gonna do my nails with her. And ibabagay namin sa napakagandang gown. Styled by Miss Arian Concepcion and of course designed by the one and only Francis Liburan. Of course, hair is by the one and only Rafael John.
Ganito pala yung feeling pag nasa bahay ka ni Kuya. May nakikinig sa'yo palagi, di ba?
Nakita mo na ba, Martin?
Nakagano pa. Para akong staff ni BJ doon. Apat ka.
So we just did the extensions first with Aki, of course. And then after, we're gonna go ahead and do some of the executions. So, get our day started. Kaya natin to.
We've done several executions already. And now we're just finalizing the nails. 5 p.m. we're gonna start fitting my gown na, and then my makeup, and then by 6 we have to be downstairs because we're gonna do a couple more executions there. Bless you. I'm very excited though. So Achi's just finishing it. I'll see you guys later pag ginagawa ko na yung makeup ko.
Oh my God.
We're doing ombre nails.
Ang
It's
ganda
so
na.
nice. Guys, hindi pa to tapos ha, pero ang ganda niya na.
Ang ganda.
So, tingnan natin.
Kinikilig ako. Di ba?
Let's all welcome the one and only Jake Edward Gavas.
Ang ganda. Ang fresh lang, di ba? Parang may blush on.
Ang galing, ombre.
Yes.
Like, look, it's just a sponge.
Parang make-up. Kaya na yan. Tapos lagyan natin ito. Wow! Ang
Tingnan mo,
dami
ito
alam.
yung kamukha ng gown ko, Mama Jake.
Parang mas gusto ko to.
Ako din.
Ito rin.
Kasi
Yung
parang,
parang
mas
French tip
transition.
siya.
Yeah.
Transition.
Everything.
Lagi naman
Yes.
sa gown mo.
Yes,
Kasi gusto ko.
super bagay siya
Kasi
sa gown
makintap
ko.
na siya eh. So dapat
Mukha siyang
I
sarap.
like it.
You like it?
I like it. I like
Okay.
it.
Okay, pasok.
Napaka-OA! Napaka-OA!
We're done with our nails. Tada! Thank you so much, Achi.
Yes, you're
Thank
welcome.
you. It's so
Ganda,
beautiful.
ganda.
And now, kukontinue na namin ang makeup namin.
May kasama na rin.
Hi, Miss A. Wow! Wait lang! Ba't ang blooming mo naman?
Oh my gosh!
Ang blooming mo! It was a collaborative thing, and you know, we wouldn't be able to pull it off if if it weren't for each other, and it was actually a really fun process. It's been 2 years since we last did ABS-CBN Ball, and it's just so nice that we're able to do something so beautiful like this, and at the same time, it's for a cause.
Yeah, they had an artisan make custom
This
rendered.
custom,
rendered those.
rendered flowers, because we
And
wanted.
it's metal, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh!
So this is my final look. Ta-da! Oh, I love your brooch. Thank you. So nice. I love it.
Thank you. You like
So
it?
nice.
Antonina.
It's so nice.
Francis?
For 2 months. Thank you so much. Do you want me to read this?
What's up, guys?
Pwede kong patabi.
Hi, Tita. Good evening. Hi, Belle. Good. At least matching color.
Hello. Hi, Mama Jam. Hello.